Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be testing out the Revlon One Step Volumizing Hair Dryer. Stay tuned. So now guys, I'm going to be unraveling my hair from my hair towel. It's been out for about maybe 20 minutes. I'm going to be using the Redken 5th Avenue Heat Protectant for my hair. This is super important, guys. So next, I'm just going to be parting my hair with these clips. I got these clips at Walmart, just in case you guys are curious. So we're going to jump right in and use our hair tool. So I'm going to section my hair off. I'm going to put the dryer on high. It does have 3 settings. It has a cool, a low, and a medium. Mine is set on high because my hair is still very damp. So I'm going to start from my root and work all the way to my ends in circular motions. This is going to give me that blowout effect. Just a quick coffee break. So once I get to my front pieces, I put them right in front and create those circular motions to give me that side swoop bang effect. Next, I'm going to be using the Moroccan oil treatment. I'm going to put a dime size on my hands, rub them together, and start about halfway down my hair, and mainly focusing this on my ends. Whatever is left of the product, I'm just going to use to help tame my flyaways. And that's it, you guys. I achieved this awesome salon-style blowout in less than 20 minutes. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. Make sure you subscribe for me. And if you really enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that post notification bell so you know every time I upload. Until next time, guys, adios. Mwah.